what's up guys to my new video. So today we are going to play Roblox. So please subscribe my channel to Pick Gamer and do like and please share with your friends. So today we are going to attempt the flood escape. Let's begin. It's loading. It's loading. Yes. Let's play flood escape. So today maybe we can play better because in my last video we have also played flood escape. Yeah, we can see there in my last video we are having some network connection problem. So today I have my full network connection, so there will be no problem. So let's begin. Loading content. Let's play. I will change my person's clothes. Let's go to this one. Yes. Everybody come here. I want to win today. So let's see if we can win or not. Everyone come here. Today we'll go to first easy, then medium, then hard. Intermission timing has been started. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Round beginning. So first we have to go here. Go here, then go here. Go here. Oh shit. We have tried. Let's try again. Easy. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Now let's go to medium. Yeah. Please subscribe my channel, friends. I will make very good videos for you all. Why the intermission timing has been not started? Please start. Please wait, intermission. Yeah, the timing has been started. 10, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please wait, round beginning. They all are running like animals. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh, but we were the second one. Yes. So now let's play the hard one. Maybe it will be difficult. Oh my goodness. I am scary about this. Or you can go. Hey. Nobody's coming here. Yeah, please wait intermission. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Round beginning. Oh my goodness, it's getting very difficult. Let's see. We can escape it. Or not. This time we are doing good. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Bad aiming. So guys, for today this much only. I will meet you in my next video. So please subscribe my channel and share the button, share with you all, and please like and comment in the comment box in which game you like the videos. So bye.